Hello, and welcome to the second of the Learning Express in 5 minutes or less videos. This one we're going to talk about learning centers. If you do not have a Learning Express account, I just finished recording the Learning Express how to set up an account video. Go back and look for that wherever you found this one, and you should be able to get yourself logged in with an account. It's about 4 minutes long, so it shouldn't take too long. Once you've done that, then come back and we'll talk about what Learning Express has available for you. All right, you're in, you're logged in. You are in the homepage of your Learning Express account. And one of the things that you can look at is centers, and you'll see the arrow pointing to where that goes. Centers are collections of like tutorials. So it could be stuff that's specifically for middle school kids, or it could be stuff that's specifically for adult learners, or it could be stuff that's specifically in Spanish. Whatever the need might be, there's a center for it. So click on center and then click on school center. You will see that there are elementary, middle, and high school centers. Available for you. And if you, if you click on that centers up there, you will see all the different kinds of centers. So I was in the school center earlier. This is the different kinds of centers that you have. So you have Spanish, computer skills, adult core skills, all those different kinds of things that I mentioned in the previous account, how to create an account tutorial are all right here for you. So if you decide maybe to go to the Adult Core Skills Center, you can see the different skills that are available. One of them is improve your writing, speaking, and grammar. If you click on that, you will find writing and grammar skills tutorials, practice sets, and ebooks, all three available for you to use. So let's go ahead and pretend we're going to click on the grammar skills tutorial. That's going to give you a little button that lets the tutorial begin. Click on that, and now you have kind of the introduction to the grammar course. So it gives you a little bit of information. This is on your computer is probably going to be stacked. I put them side by side for space's sake, but you'll scroll down to see the take pretest or start tutorial. Pretesting is nice if you just kind of want to get a baseline of where you're at, and that will also help the tutorial emphasize the things that maybe you might need a little more work on. But we're going to go ahead and pretend that we're clicking on start tutorial. And this is what your tutorial is going to look like. There's an introduction, there are lessons. Each lesson has a topic, and then the collection of the lessons, there's units, and you have a summary and a quiz for each unit. This is available for anybody. It's aimed for adults, but it would be perfectly acceptable and appropriate for high school, maybe even middle school kids, to give them some grammar help as they go along. So here are your options for centers, and each of the centers that I went through before, they all end up looking at the end like this. You're going to go through and pick a particular topic, and you're going to start the tutorial, and the tutorial is going to be very similar to what you're seeing here. So with that all being said, it's time to stop this lecture and talk more about the My Center, the more personalized part of Learning Express. That's coming up in our next tutorial. Stay tuned.